Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can add video inside text on InShot. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my InShot application and I'm going to create text video. You can go to the video menu and then select new, and then you're going to select this blank clip. We're going to use this blank clip as the background of the text video, and click on the check mark to add it to your project. And then I'm going to add text to this project. I'm just going to type in, for example, text video. Okay, then you can change the font if you want. I'm gonna go with this one guys, and I'm going to make it bigger like this. Okay, and then you can adjust the duration according to your video duration. Oops. And then I'm just going to make it for example 10 seconds. Okay, and wait guys, I'm going to remove the watermark of this InShot project, and after that we're going to save this text video to our device. Okay, I'm going to export it, and after the video has been exported, I'm going to create new project again. Okay, it's almost done. Okay, I'm going to click on create new, and we can import the text video, right? And go to PIP. Okay, then you can add the video you want to put inside the text. And since I don't have any footage to be edited, I'm going to go to the InShot material, and I'm going to select this one guys. I'm going to put this video inside text, and we can click on this autofill to fit the screen. Okay, and we're going to blend the first video with the second video. Go to the blend option, and then we're going to select darken. Okay, now it's done. As you can see that the video has been added to the text. You can also adjust the position like this. Okay, this is the final result guys, and if you want to export the video, you just need to click on export. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add a video inside text using InShot. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye.